last option on it, the bare floor.
So I love the Dirt Devil, and I wanted to get him the first time I got my apartment, but I didn't have money at the time. So I got a local quick cheap vacuum at Walmart, and I've been having it for about 2 months now, and that is all it has collected. You know, I have 2 months, you know, I just kind of thought that was suspicious. That's all I had grabbed from having a dog, now 2 dogs, and it being carpet. And it didn't feel right. It wouldn't get stuff like, I don't know, like right here. It wouldn't grab hairs and stuff like that. And I told my husband I wanted another vacuum, and I just went ahead and grabbed me one. And the Dirt Devil right here, I just used him yesterday, and look at all the dirt it has grabbed. And I have put product on the floor. The suction on this thing is crazy, but I love it.
V. Svogoj. Smogoj.
Smogoj.